So guys, in this video I will talk about dictionaries in detail. So what is Python dictionary? So Python dictionary is like, we know a few things about it. Like it's another, it is like a map. You can create a dictionary using curly braces. It is mutable, meaning that you can change elements within the dictionary. And furthermore, it comes up with key and value pair. For example, I create some dictionary. Okay, so I want to put some values, like my key is exotic, my value is tech, and I want to create other key value pair inside this dictionary. So I will just copy it. For example, now we have two key value pair inside this dictionary. Let me print it out, paste. Now compile it. We got our dictionary. That's pretty cool. Now I want to perform some operation on this dictionary. So how can I perform this? Let me check what we can do. For example, we can go for the items. Okay, so I want to print this too. Now I want to print my test too. So let's see. We got the item in our test dictionary. So yes, and one thing to notice here, the items came in the format of tuples. So we know how we declare tuple. Tuple always come with the round braces. Okay, so this is how we knew this thing. Okay, so okay, we can perform other operations on it. For example, text. Let copy. Now copy will create exactly the same dictionary as of test. Now I want to print these both dictionaries. Output should be the same. So we got two dictionaries with same output. Okay, so this is how we use copy inside the dictionary. So let me delete this line. Now I want to use other operations. Maybe let's try pop item. So what it will do, it will remove the this item at index 0 from our dictionary, and we will get exotic 2 and tech 2. Yes, we got the output, and pop item return us the output in the format of tuple. So it is important to notice here. And furthermore, like we can do other operations. There are too many methods we can perform on our list, on our dictionary actually. So let me try something different here. Let's do the clear. Now clear will empty your dictionary. We have no item in this dictionary. It shows us there's nothing inside the dictionary. So this is how you manipulate the dictionary in Python. Furthermore, in next lecture I will show you what is like how you create the nested dictionaries. It's also possible you can create dictionary within the dictionary. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.